Hello everyone. I'm going to I'm going to explain about. I'm going to explain about Panda function. So these are some functions that I'm going to tell about. So I first wrote the command import pandas as PD, and then I inserted one data set, which I gave command d is equal to pd dot read csv, and I directly copy pasted one data set, and after that print d. So this is the data set which I got. We can see that it is very lengthy and we can't come to some conclusion. So for so to simplify the data, we can see that we can use the command d to simplify the data. We'll use the command d.hdet, and like how many columns we want, we'll take that much. Let's check 5. We'll get the data of 5 columns. You can see this. After that, to remove all the null values from the data, we'll use the command drop duplicate. So we got the data of in which null data is removed, and in this data there is no null data. After that, to remove the duplicate values in the data set, we will use the command drop underscore duplicate. So this removed all the duplicate data from the data set, and if there is one more function which is d dot describe, in which we will get to know of all the description of the data set, like from the basic statistical information about the and all everything related to the data description. The next function, one function is d.shape, in which it gives the dimension of the data set, in which in this here it is 11,914 and 16. The dimension we can see here. After that, number of columns, if we want to find out, we will get the how many columns we have. It gives the solution, and after that a is equal to a dot data plus any value we can put 50, let's say 20, 85, 63, 37. B is equal to PD dot data frame data frame let's say any value 56, 67, 78 and close bracket. C is equal to PD dot concat. This is a concat function. Um, let's say A comma B. I'm getting some error. I'm sorry, this is not data set, this is data frame which in which we should get the result. After that we will hit print. See, we'll get the values of the concat function, and so this was basically main functions of what of how we can analyze the data, how we can remove the null values and how we can remove the duplicate values and know the description of the data by using panda function. We first imported pandas as PD, for as a short form we wrote it as PD. Then after that we put the value d is equal to PD dot get data 7 data set by putting d is equal to p panda dot read csv. We got the data, but this data is very big which we can't uh, we don't have much time to read this. So to simplify the data, we put the command d dot head, like we want 5 column, we put the value 5. After that, to remove the null value, we gave the function d dot drop na and bracket. In this, all the null values are removed. Similarly, duplicate values are also removed. And if you want to know the description of the data, like what exactly do we have in the data, we will use the command d.describe and bracket. Where we got the description of the data like count, mean, standard, all the statistical information you will get from this data. And to know the dimension of the data, we got d dot, we will put d dot shape uh, as function, and in this we got 11,914 comma 16. The dimension of the data was this much. To know the how many columns and what are there in columns, got we put the command d dot columns. Concat function, we put the value a is equal to, and put random values, and then b. Similarly, we put the value b, and after concat we got the value of this much a and b column. So this was pretty much a glimpse of how panda function works. And thank you for watching my video. Hope it was helpful for you.